Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to automate habit tracking with Zapier in 2025. So we will be building one simple workflow where logging a habit in Google Sheet automatically updates a tracking app. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on zapier.com. Then you need to create your account if you haven't already, or you need to simply log in into your account if you already have it. Now, once you are inside your Zapier dashboard, you need to simply click on the option of create, then select the option of Zaps. Now, this will be your automation for the habit tracking. Now you need to choose a triggering application. So the triggering application over here would be, let's say, Google Sheet in my case. So here you can simply click on it, then you can select Google Sheet. After that, you need to select the trigger event. So here you can click on this drop down menu and you can select, basically you can pick a habit tracker sheet, and every new row becomes the trigger for you. So let's say I've selected this one. After that, you can choose any account if you want, then you can select the option of add and continue. Now for the action, you need to pick the application. So here in the action section, you need to pick any of the apps that are given over here. It can be Notion or Google Calendar. So let's say I've selected Google Calendar. If you have selected Notion, in the action, you need to select the create database item. Or if you have selected calendar, in the action, you need to simply select the option of creating the event. Now you need to map the data with it. So for matching the field from the Google Sheet in the application, you need to simply just select the map of the option. And once you are done with it, after selecting the action over here, you need to just simply click on the option of continue. So once you do this, once you build this type of zap in front of you, you need to click on the test run here in the top right hand corner of the screen to make sure that your data flows correctly. Now if it works, you can turn the zap on, and from now on, every time you add a new habit row, Zapier logs it automatically in your tracking tool. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.